Kinks, it is Nappyfu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video. She ain't got no makeup on, she sure don't, but that lip gloss is popping. Oh, I was inspired to bring Jordyn Wood into the Like Hers Before See series. Y'all remember that? I started a long time ago. Well, her simple, effortless look on the red table talk had my wheels turning. How can I accomplish that high ponytail but still keep it very natural? Well, let's see how I got here. You ready? Nappyfu checking in. Let go. Hey, so y'all, yes, the girl just slid onto the video. Oh, all right, y'all. So I have thought many of different ways to try to accomplish this look, because when I saw her look, I was like, I didn't see many high ponytails, but hers just looks so effortless, simple, cute. And I was like, how can I make that happen on my natural hair and still keep it natural, as in not straighten my hair out, not blow my hair out, but keep it in its natural state and still get kind of a high ponytail with some length, okay? To get that length, I was like, okay, Her Given Hair, what's popping? This is my idea. What you think? They loved it. Boom. So they are sponsoring today's video. I will be using their clip-ins, okay, to try to get the look that I have in my mind to come into life. Hopefully it turns out that way. I have not tried it. I have not done any pre-testers. I just said, I think like it'll look like so let's just try it. That's how it went in my head, like my head. All right, so this side is down. So you are gonna see me use a comb, my white tooth comb, and you are gonna also see me use this extremely modified dentin brush. Like I done took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the tooth rolls. So I only have 4 of them left over. Extremely modified, because your girl doesn't like using it anyway, but I know I'm gonna need some help in smoothing my hair. So, and anyway, y'all gonna see as I go. So I'm just kind of getting out the 2-strand twist imprints in my hair, okay? Just kind of getting it prepared for the goodness in this very bold hairstyle idea I have, and I just hope it all works out. Yes, your girl hopes it all works out. I'm going to Bantu knot as I go to each section to kind of continue to encourage more stretch. I didn't have a spray bottle with me, so you don't see me doing this on camera, but I am putting water onto my hands, onto my palms, and I'm pressing it into each section before I begin detangling, because you know I don't believe in detangling on dry hair, so my hair is being dampened just a little bit. Y'all know how they say that when you combing your hair, start from the ends and work your way up. I always thought to myself, is that the best way? For instance, if I'm starting from my ends, I'm going right here, right? And then I'm going from here to the ends. Then from here to the ends. Then from here to the ends. So I always thought to myself, wait, let me clear out the ends, okay? Then go to my roots and work down the kinks from there. Because that eliminates how many times I'm going over my ends, the elders. You know, I feel like that makes more sense to me. I don't know. Napchat, let me know what you think about that whole concept of start from your ends, work your way to the roots. Have you ever thought to yourself, wait, let me start at the ends, let me start with the elders, and then go up to the roots, the newborns, and work all their kinks down. So that way I'm not going over the elders so many times. Hope that makes sense, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. Let me go take a break. While I go rest my arms from all that detangling, have you subscribed to this channel yet, y'all? Go ahead and join Team Kinks. Come on now. Yep, hit that subscription button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you are notified the next time I'm all up on your screen. Thanks in advance. Alright, so our sponsors for this video, Her Given Hair. I'm going to incorporate this clip-ins. I have to incorporate the clip-ins because this is what will give me the high length that I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm going to have to untwist all of this. The kinky clip-ins from Her Given Hair is very kinky, just like Kinky 4C hair. So I did want to stretch it out as well to make it easier for me to manipulate into the style that I was going for. And yes, the Bantu knots definitely came in handy
it stretched my hair a bit more in order for me to get it up into the ponytail.
I'm gonna have to put a section in the middle. Like I need something, boom, right there. So what I'm gonna do is section off my hair. So section off the crown of my hair. And y'all know I just went through and detangled my hair, right? Although I did, my hair has already begun to try to kink up right on back up. It's going back to what it knows. So
I had to put down the comb and use my fingers to go ahead and get the middle part sectioned off. To use a comb would have just been way too tedious because my hair really did start to kink back up. So I'm going to have that middle section, and that is where I plan to clip the clip-ins onto, if that makes sense. If you watch my previous clip-in videos, you will know exactly what I mean by I'm going to clip it to that section.
I'm totally thinking about this as I go. This is what this is looking like. Okay.
I kept on thinking, should I part a bigger section? Should I just clip it in between my actual hair and then pull my hair up? Like, that's the many thoughts that was going through my head as I was formulating the method I was going to use. But at the end of the day, I kept it with the middle part, and I decided just to clip around that section and to clip going downward on the ponytail to add some more length to it. Again, you have to watch my other clip-in ponytail videos, or bun videos better yet, to know what I'm saying when I say I clip down the length of that sectioned off middle part. Okay.
Now, I do want to say before I continue, if your hair is not long enough, but you know how to attach braiding hair, section off your middle part, add braiding hair to it to make it longer, and then attach your clips to that braid, which will make it even more of a protective style. Okay.
In the previous bun videos that I mentioned, and the links will also be in the description box, I actually braided my own hair, and I used the clip-ins and clipped it down the length of my braid. So again, if you kind of want to get a visual of exactly what I'm doing here on camera, make sure you check that video out, y'all. I was a little bit more visually detailed on that one, okay?
I'm gonna work it out with my fingers a little bit. And I'm gonna take a flat iron, okay? I'm gonna take a little bit of it and just go like that. I'm not looking for it to get straight. I'm just looking for more of a stretch. That is all. It is not in no shape, form, or fashion touch and contour. Glory to God. So it's more like that. Y'all see what I'm saying? All right, so let's go to the next section.
I wanted to get as much of the length as I could without necessarily taking away the kink of the clip-in. So, you know, I was just going for that quote-unquote long ponytail look, but kinky. That's all. I got a little bit more length by passing the flat iron over it a few times.
I'm going to use a little bit of my aloe vera gel. We know aloe vera gel is not a holding gel or anything like that, but at least catch some of these flyaways.
Okay, here goes my very modified dimming brush, and I'm just using it to smooth around the edges. Didn't have a bristle brush, so the dimming brush was the next best thing, okay? I'm gonna use it to get that back and get rid of the middle part that I have in my head, as I always do. All right, let's try to work this beast into a ponytail. Oh my gosh.
All right, here we go. Ooh, I wish I had one of those snappy things. You know those snappies? Oh Lord, be offense.
Yes, so a Nappyfu would have been very helpful for this style. I would have just been able to button it at the end and call it a day. Oh, but it's okay. We survived it. Thank God.
As we can see, my hair clearly is not coming to be as long as the... Okay, so we're gonna work this, y'all. We're gonna work this. All right, so you can see the difference. My hair, her giving hair clip-ins, okay? Which, I mean, besides her giving hair clip-ins having a little shine to it, when it comes to mimicking our textures, okay, HGH, you know what I'm saying? I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. That stuff is really close. Wow. Anyway, okay. Good job, good job.
Let's go ahead and get this section wrapped around the ponytail, okay? It's gonna add as another little piece to the whole look, maybe a little heighten, give a little more height or whatever, you know? This style was I'm really happy that I tried this. The next time I'm gonna do this, I know some things I will be doing differently, but let me just let you see the ending result, okay? Shout out to the tea drinkers. I drink tea all day. Got to be glue gels is what I'm gonna use to quote unquote lay my edges. This is not going to be slayed, it's just going to be laid. Whatever edge wants to come out and hang out with me on the edge, that's cool. I'm not going to force nothing out. I'm not looking for a swoop, whoop, loop, choop, coopily loop, none of that. Whatever wants to come out and hang out with me is what I'm going to smooth down. Okay, so I'm going to take my satin scarf, tie it around, and yeah.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let it set. All right, and here we go, y'all. My hair is set. That sucker is flat. Dang, gosh, okay, all right then. I think it came out really cute. It's like I'm about to go work out, I'm about to go run errands, I'm about to go out with my girls. It's one of those kind of styles. What I'm about to do is actually go work out. Hence the reason I have on this little jacket right here. But I like it. I like how it came out. Okay, hey, you better know. No, okay, let me not swing it too much before it flies off. Oh no, it's clip-in, so I can do this all day. Hey, you better. It's lightweight, it doesn't feel too heavy on my little, you know, section I have there. I like it, and I really feel like I could play with this in so many ways. Shout out to her giving hair for these very similar to natural hair clip-ins. Okay, texture is real. Give a little close up. I think the blend is pretty good. So things that I noticed. Okay, my ponytail is a little bit lopsided or whatever. Okay, but I'm okay with that. It's whatever. Nothing about life is really that balanced anyway, you know. So I kind of like the whole concept of attaching the clip-ins to that one part in my middle and working it all the way down, increasing the length. I kind of feel like it's giving me some volumes, a little layers, which is okay. It's cool. I like. I will definitely do this style again. Okay, this high ponytail I think is really, really cute. It can be worked in so many ways, to the gym, to work out with your friends, happy hour, what have you. Okay, with some manipulation on the Her Giving Hair Kinky Clip Ins, I think we got it, y'all. Yeah, I think we accomplished it. I like it. I'm cool. Do you see the Jordyn Wood inspiration in it? Or are you kind of like, nah, Nappyfu, you kind of made it your own thing for sure. Okay. I mean, it's a high ponytail. It's a stiff high ponytail, but nonetheless, it's high. It's a pony. It's a tail. Okay. And this brings us to today's Napchat question, which is actually 2 of them, okay? First question, what did you think of today's video? Did you like how I took a non-natural hairstyle and tweaked it, freaked it, slicked it down to make it work for natural hair? This is definitely just like my series of like hers before C, and I want to start bringing that series back, but I only want to do that if you want it. So please let your girl know in the comment box below. Second question, what do you think about the whole Jordyn Wood situation? If you are up to date with what happened to Jordyn Wood, I kind of want to know, what's your opinion? What do you think about it? Do you think it's just a marketing scheme trying to get the ratings up on the Kardashian show? Or do you really believe all that happened to her? And what is your opinion about it? What did you learn? What did you take away? Let me know all of that in the comment box below. Thanks in advance. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. Until then, please remember, my sister, my brother, my cousin, my mailman. I don't have a mailman, but it's okay. In order to have healthy hair, mind, body, soul, all of that, you got to do healthy things consistently. Happy food checking out. This is wow, where did that come from? I don't know. I don't know. 40 billion for the account, you. And I'm Gucci for your body, oh baby. Ha ha. No do. All right, let me go work out.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were